Area-based regulations apply to a particular geographical space that you can point to or draw on a map. Protected areas are a primary tool for area-based regulation. Law regulates access to protected areas, use of protected areas and their resources, and activities that threaten their conservation objectives. For example, a law might regulate hunting, possession of a firearm, or destruction of habitat in a protected area. In some cases, law can prohibit entry into a protected area altogether. How activities are regulated depends on international obligations, conservation objectives, and the protected area category of a specific site. For example, in a strictly protected area, only scientific research or cultural activities might be permitted or authorized. Other activities might be prohibited. In protected landscapes or seascapes, more activities may be authorized or allowed with a permit, including sustainable agriculture, fishing, or harvesting of forest products. Different regulations may apply to different zones within a single protected site. Area-based regulation is not limited to protected areas. It can also promote connectivity through conservation between and around protected areas, and conservation at the landscape level. Spatial planning, or land use planning, and zoning can be tools for area-based regulation, both within and outside protected areas. Legislation can create systems of permits or concessions for activities such as mining, logging, or tourism. Environmental impact assessment requirements are an important tool in making decisions on whether to allow activities in a particular space. Market-based measures, such as tax credits for sustainable private land use or direct payments for ecosystem services, can also be used for area-based conservation. Area-based regulation may be provided for in national protected areas legislation or land use legislation. It may also be based on forest law, wildlife conservation law, or a framework biodiversity act. Marine and coastal areas, as well as wetlands, may be subject to special regulations.